Hi there, and thanks for joining us in this episode of PhillipCapital's Market Watch. I'm Tay Wee Kuang, Equity Specialist from Phillip Investor Center, Toa Payoh. In the first 3 weeks of 2019, we have seen global equity markets rebounding off December 2018 lows, with the Straits Times Index trading at an attractive valuation near 10-year lows for both price-to-earnings and price-to-book ratios. We believe it is an opportune time to invest in the Singapore stock market. However, amidst the volatile global macroeconomic environment, we advise investors to focus on defensive stocks with stable dividend yield. Today, we will be zooming in on the banking and finance sector as one of the preferred industries to invest in. Several US banks and financial institutions have announced their fourth quarter earnings for 2018. While the results were mostly positive, it is also observed that the market has been more forgiving to poor performances. This suggests that the tapering of expectations during the market sell-off in December 2018 seems to have taken downward pressure on prices from these companies. In Singapore, banking stocks prices have also moved in tandem with an uptick in US banking stock prices. Despite expectations of slowing growth, the Singapore economy remains healthy. This bears good news for local banking stocks, which are usually impacted by the economy's health. The rising interest rate environment will also continue to benefit banks' abilities to generate earnings by providing them with interest margin expansion. Furthermore, coming off December 2018's market sell-off, banking stocks are providing investors with an attractive yield. Among those, our top pick is UOB, which has the least exposure to the Chinese economy's deceleration, while dividend yield is being buoyed by a strong capital position. Apart from the banks, SGX also ranks high on our to-buy list. SGX's growing derivative segment has provided stability to its revenue stream, making up roughly 50% of its revenue. The changing of dividend policy to an absolute amount of 7.5 cents per quarter is also welcome, as it provides investors with a guaranteed payout quarterly with an annual yield of around 4% per year based on the current price. Both UOB and SGX are included in the PhillipCapital Absolute 10, our list of the top recommended counters. For more information on the Absolute 10 and our Singapore 2019 Strategy Report, please visit the link in the description below. And that's all for Market Watch. Do remember to like and follow us on social media and subscribe to us on YouTube. Feel free to comment and let us know if there are any particular counters catching your attention. Thank you and see you soon.